2006 Toyota Corolla. I'm going to show you how to fix this. So basically, this is what has happened is this plastic clip retainer piece here that the bumper clips onto. It's basically all busted up and shit. So I'm going to show you how to get that off. Put on a new one. I grabbed these from the junkyard off a regular Corolla. And we get this bumper hung back up here so it'll quit sagging like that. This car's confused and thinks it's a truck. So basically, back here you got to pull this away to get to them. And these little clips, that's all that holds it in there. So you got to push the tabs and pop them out. And you got these little clips and shit like that that hold this in, so you just got to pop these out so you can pull the fabric back out of the way. Alright, so that's what you were looking at. Like I said, just push these tabs, one on top, one on bottom, and pop them out. This one's busted. Alright, since this thing's already so fucked up, I was able to just pull it through there. But you'll have just a few clips like that. You just need to unbolt this enough so that you can pull it all the way to pull out the old one, and then you can just snap in your new one. But I can just pull it like that. I'm gonna pop in the new one now. Alright, so I just popped the new one in and hung the bumper back up on it, so there you go.